लिया था। तो लोकलाइट सीनियर्स आर एक्चुअली वेरी काइंड एंड वो बिल्कुल ऐसे नहीं जैसा मूवीज़ में आपने किसी रिलेटिव के यहाँ सुना होगा। हमारा बस इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ एक दूसरे से एंड मेरे मुंह से निकल गया कि आई एम अ बाथरूम सिंगर, सो जस्ट दे मेड मी सिंग मैं हूँ जियान फ्रॉम डोरेमोन एंड इट वॉज लिटरली एन एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट फॉर मी. Sometimes it becomes very difficult to imagine what will be our life whenever we'll enter into one of our dream med school, whatever you so far have think कि मैं इस कॉलेज में जाऊँगा. वहाँ की हॉस्टल लाइफ से लेके सीनियर्स की रैगिंग वाला इशू जो हम सुनते हैं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का एक्चुअली वैसा होता है कॉलेज का जैसे हम जनरली मूवीज़ में देखते हैं. इज फ्रीडम इज देयर इन द गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, इज इट बेटर देन प्राइवेट कॉलेज, और व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस दैट अ पर्सन come to know whenever he or she enters a government medical college. Same, I was having so many myths, some of the very good expectations, some of the very bad expectations from the government college, but when I entered in my college, within just 1 week I got clearance about each and everything जो आपको भी as a NEET aspirant पक्का होगी. And after this watching video, when I'll be sharing my first initial few days of my MBBS journey of GMC Vadodara, you'll get a clearance that what is the feeling after you enter your med school, what are the ups and the lows that you are going to face in your initial journey of an MBBS. So watch till the end. It was a 14th Feb जब से मेरा कॉलेज स्टार्ट होने वाला था, but still me with my family went to Vadodara on 10th of the Feb to confirm my admission and to look after the hostel and how I'll be arranging myself within 2 to 3 days. And we went to Vadodara and we were amazed that the college was in the center of the city, which was the ideal location for any student because from all the general store to stationery shops to various malls, time zones, petrol pump, ATM, everything, bank, everything was just within a range of 500 meters from my college as well as from my hostel. And then after confirming my admission in the college, it was a time to allot your room in the hostel. So we went to the location where the boys hostel was there. And actually it was an off-campus hostel. It's not inside the campus. So it was around 2 to 2.5 kilometers away from the main college that we went to see the hostel. And जैसे ही मैं hostel में घुसा, it was a big no from my side because you all know that taking admission in government college is a very respectable thing, no doubt, but the infrastructure of the government colleges are not really so good, whether it's college, whether it's hostel. और again hostel की condition ऐसी थी कि वहाँ पे रहना तो दूर की बात, मुझे ऐसी जगह पे रह के पढ़ना वो भी 5 साल was definitely no from my side. So as we were having 2 days to start my college, तो हम लोग बहुत सारे PG ढूंढने लगे and finally we got our PG which was actually 100 meters from my college, much more near to the boys hostel which was actually there. So I was allotted to the PG. So आप लोग का बहुत लोग का क्वेश्चन होता है कि जहाँ मैं वीडियो शूट करता हूँ, is it in my PG or my hostel or where I live? तो actually it is PG. So actually it is PG where I shoot my videos because I stay over there. And after exploring Vadodara in 2 to 3 days with my family, it was a 14th Feb on day 1 of my college when I met all my classmates and they immediately became my best friend on the day 1 itself. The most purest, the most kindest and the most helpful people I ever got in my life, and they are so far one of my best friend and they will be, I know. And on the day 1 जब मैंने सबसे मिला and हम लोग सब बातचीत किए, it was a time for the college tour. जब हमारे seniors, immediate seniors हमारा college tour करा रहे थे, we came across various department from anatomy department, physiology department, biochem department, sports club room, everything we just saw about our college so that हमें idea लग जाए हमारा college कितना बड़ा है. And I was like literally happy that yeah, the college is actually very big and very nice. And that's all for the day 1. And then we were told that कल white coat लेके आना, tomorrow the next day will be the white coat ceremony. I was really happy for that day. Next day white coat पहन के we took our oath for the ceremony as an MBBS student. We clicked some photographs and we all were very happy to send these pics to our family and to know their reaction. And then as the day passes, we started attending our lecture. We met all our professor, associate professor, assistant professors and HODs of our department जिन्होंने हमें बताया कि how you have to study, is it different from NEET, how you have to change your approach for MBBS rather than just mugging up everything. And the most common thing that all the professors, all the HODs of the department told us that it is definitely very, very, very important to score 50% to get the passing marks. So in order to get a tag that you are passed, you need to score 50%, which was like little hard hitting for all of us because MBBS course is very vast and still उसमें भी हमें 50% लाना पड़ेगा, then we will be called as pass. Within the first week, I went with my friends to watch movies, time zones and had lot of fun which I didn't expected because being a little introvert, I wasn't so sure that I'll be getting friend on the day 1 itself and I wasn't sure that मैं उनके साथ इतना free हो जाऊँगा कि 1 week में मैंने इतना fun कर लिया था कि that मुझे actually realize हुआ कि how the college life can be nice. And I still remember the convo that after 4 to 5 days we were sitting in the canteen discussing about everything and हमारा एक immediate senior से message आता है कि कल शाम को 5 बजे we are going to have a meeting and we all were nervous. Yes, that's the time of the ragging शायद हमारी अब होने वाली है. The seniors ने हमें बुलाया है and I was personally the super scared. Was not being a little introvert and shy. I was like क्या कराएंगे, कैसे मैं डील करूँगा, यहाँ तो मॉम डैड भी नहीं जिनके साथ मैं तुरंत एक्सप्रेस कर सकूँ. But the thing चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग. जब हम नेक्स्ट डे गए तो आई कम अंडर लोकलाइट बिकॉज मैंने पीजी लिया था, हॉस्टल नहीं लिया था. तो लोकलाइट सीनियर्स आर एक्चुअली वेरी काइंड एंड वो बिल्कुल ऐसे नहीं जैसा मूवीज में आपने किसी रिलेटिव क्या सुना होगा. हमारा बस इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ एक दूसरे से एंड मेरे मुंह से निकल गया कि आई एम अ बाथरूम सिंगर. सो जस्ट दे मेड मी सिंग मैं हूँ जियान फ्रॉम डोरेमोन एंड इट वॉज लिटरली एन एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट फॉर मी. एंड या बट आई स्टिल लाव सो मच कि बीइंग अ लिटिल शाय पर्सन, बीइंग अ लिटिल इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सन, मैंने कैसे वो गाना गा लिया आई डोंट नो. बट दैट्स ऑल. दैट इज हाउ माई फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ द med school went. Some of the expectation were about the good infrastructure and hostel life which was literally broken. But after that the leniency, the freedom, the facilities in the government college that you get is indispensable. आप government college में घुसोगे तब पता चलेगा. The way you attend your lecture, the way you approach everything is just awesome. So I hope after watching this small video आपको idea लग गया होगा कि how med school life is little different from what you are living your life now. So it's just about 10 months of hard work that you have to do whenever your next NEET is going to come, and then you will be living the same life, maybe much more better than me because I am little a shy person, and you will be realizing that your hard work really pays off now, and now you will be relaxed for 5 years enjoying your biology part only. There will be no physics, no chemistry to disturb you at all. So I hope अगर आपको हल्का सा motivation दिया हो तो अपनी पढ़ाई अच्छे से करें. And we'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.